Well, I got plenty of friends. I don't do. Turn around, face me.
I understand, sir.
Turn around, face me. I got plenty of friends. I don't do that in church parking lots. Embarrassing. Sit down. Sit down.
The deputy's routine call to check on a suspicious car in a parking lot is altered entirely when he instead finds a couple getting a little too cozy.
You can save me a lot of trouble because your car's pretty disgusting. You guys should be very embarrassed by that.
Yeah, boys, pulpit grind. Yeah, it's pulpit grind. Yeah, we do no lie. Yeah, it's pulpit grind. Yeah, we do no crime. Yeah, it's pulpit grind.
Look, guys, you won't believe what these guys are doing in a church parking lot. Look, we got to get right into it at Pulpit Crime. Let's go.
Around 1:18 p.m. on November 4th, 2024, this Brown County Sheriff's deputy arrives at the parking lot of Resurrection School and Church in the village of Alloway, Wisconsin, after callers report a suspicious vehicle playing loud music. But what he is about to discover is something he will later describe as embarrassing.
Sheriff's office, put some clothes on.
She said, "My God." Oh,
get dressed.
Put some clothes on.
Get dressed. Huh? Get dressed and step out. You can step out right away. Sorry. You get dressed.
All right, yes, sir. Coming.
Turn your music down, too.
Sorry, what?
Turn your music down, too. Okay. Couldn't have picked a better spot than the church to do this kind of shit?
I'm sorry, sir. Look.
Step out. Come here.
Y'all, they getting busy on the Lord's property? Oh, man, you know what I gotta say.
He said, lock them up.
Oh, man.
Lock them up.
Lock them up. Matter of fact, you're going straight to hell with all like, what the world?
You got your clothes on. Step out, I ain't saying anything. Any weapons on you?
No, sir.
What's strapped in bags?
I don't know. I'm trying to keep
you. Did. You did on the ground. Come over there. Get dressed. You got nothing on you?
You got something on you.
What? Anything illegal on you?
Brush on him.
Anything illegal on you? What are you doing for church lot? They said you were doing too.
That's it.
People says you were doing too.
Yeah, they definitely were doing drugs. Look, he talks like he's doing meth. Well, I mean, I'm sure that's gonna find something on him.
I don't take things like that.
You were what?
Open
your mouth and talk to me. What?
Yeah, open that mouth, sir.
It's a red pen.
THC vape pen?
So CBD pen.
How many pants, different pair of pants you got on, bro?
I try to put on my shirt when I
tired? Where are you living at? Is she paid for? How do you know her? That's your friend's friend? It's what? Your friend's friend? You what? Come over here. Come over here. Sit on your butt right here. All right, cross your feet. Don't move. How much you been drinking today? Step out. Embarrassing. Come here.
Yes, it is, sir.
Yeah. Turn
I'm
around.
sorry.
Face the car.
Okay.
You got any weapons on you?
No.
How do you know him?
A friend.
A friend?
Yeah. Right.
Well, I got plenty of friends. I don't do. Turn around, face me.
I understand, sir.
Turn around, face me. I got plenty of friends. I don't do that in church parking lots.
Yeah.
What if there's kids here? Embarrassing. Sit down.
The deputy notices children playing in a nearby field with their parents just 250 meters away, while this 37-year-old woman and her partner have been totally careless, even partially rolling down the windows, further exposing themselves. But the deputy will soon find out that this isn't the woman's first run-in with the law.
What am I going to find in the car?
I'm gonna be out my stuff and like my whole life.
Okay. Any guns, knives, anything? Sit down. That's not sitting. Nothing illegal in here. My man, your car? Okay. You got your IDs in here at all?
Mine is in my wallet.
Yours is
my wallet.
Yours is in your wallet?
Yeah. There's a tab.
What do you use? Okay.
I told
is there
you
any
meth
in there?
I told y'all he was doing meth, man.
You got to stop doing that. You got to stop doing that.
I know a meth user when I see one.
Might be or something. Yeah.
There might be some.
Yeah.
Let's cut this. Where's the?
I don't really know.
There might be some.
There's a.
Just hey, look at me. What's your name? What's your name? Look at me when I speak to you.
I'm sorry. What's your name?
Cut the bullshit.
I'm not trying to bullshit
What's
you.
in the car?
I'm not at all.
What's in the car?
There's a small bag probably in the back. And
Probably
then
in the back?
I have some alcohol.
Okay. Stuck me here. Will you just ID him for me? Yep. Yeah, I know. Not very good at hiding your paraphernalia.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie. I like this cop. He's a hard nose. He ain't playing games. He been on this career for 25 years, about to retire in a couple more, right? I like it.
Well, it's not going to get any better today, I don't think. Is this your car? Under your parents' name.
Your mama.
Is this your bitch in the center console? Huh? Yes? Okay, well that's nice. That's hey.
What they got to do?
It's neither here nor there right now. Hey, what are these? Whose are these? So if I look them up, that's what they'll be?
Yes, sir.
Why are they in this container?
Because I moved from a different city. I have lost my I haven't been able to get my insurance.
All right.
Nothing she said makes
You want
sense.
paper? You probably have a warrant.
She got a warrant.
Awful lot of probablys.
Right.
Let's get our heads screwed on straight and let's start answering some questions
Okay,
without probablys.
those are my medications, sir. I don't.
Whose are they?
They, my.
They're yours?
Let me,
What are they?
those?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It's prescribed to you. You should know what it is, right?
It's probably.
I'm on that. That's not this.
No, okay.
She going through it, man.
You ever think you're anxious because you use... Come on. Yeah, maybe he's right. Where's the booze and weed that it smells like in there? When's the last time you drank or smoked in here? Huh? Today? Where's the... You can save me a lot of trouble because your car's pretty disgusting.
I know, I'm
Trying to clean it.
it's cleaner all back there.
Okay, where is the...
I don't know.
All I'm going to say to this cop as a recommendation is put some gloves on. You saw firsthand what they were doing back there, sir. Put some gloves on, please.
You don't know if there is. You said there is. Well, there is or there isn't. It's not rocket science, my friend. Hey, there is or there isn't. There was, now there isn't, now there's probably.
Did you just get done smoking it?
No, they were,
Was it?
What did you say? Huh?
You gotta speak up, man. You're mumbling.
Well, I don't think
I
you...
truly apologize.
I don't think you ate it because you had other things in your mouth.
Oh, sir.
How dare you?
My goodness. Why'd you have to say all that? There's kids watching this show. That's crazy. That's why I say this cop, he is hilarious. That was wild. Wild on you, sir. But we probably were all thinking it.
You guys should be very embarrassed by that.
He is cutting them up, man.
Whose coat? This looks like yours, my man.
That's your coat? Okay.
How do you got all this shit? Talking to him. How you got all this stuff in here, my guy?
There's an apartment in there, man.
What's up?
No, it is.
Where's your...
Don't.
You just said you did.
I don't.
You do or you don't?
I do like this so much. Maybe it's kind of
Hey.
It really is.
Hey,
It was horrible.
look at me.
I know.
That's neither here nor there right now.
Gotta work.
We're talking about what's going on right now. Okay?
I understand, sir.
Okay. Is there in there like you told me there was? Yes or no?
I think so. I don't think.
You don't think so means to me, yes.
I don't know.
If it was in there, where would it be?
You already checked where it is.
Because it's a pigsty, so I don't want to go touching a bunch of it.
So.
It's a pigsty and you're having in the backseat, so I don't feel like...
Yeah, I know. It's so horrible.
I don't feel like...
It really is.
Hey, in the church parking lot, you know what I'm saying?
This is private property.
You ain't supposed to be on there doing that. Come on now.
digging around in there, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right.
She getting attitude.
The deputy eventually finds a gray foldable mirror, along with a glass bulb-style smoking pipe containing a white and brown residue and a crystal-like substance that later tests positive for. Inside the car, he also locates additional evidence of use, including razor blades, more mirrors, and a torch-style lighter. And just as he had suspected earlier, the woman has an active probation and parole warrant.
She violating parole, man.
What's yours, buddy?
Just the jacket? Anything else in there that's yours?
What?
So just the jacket. That's all that's in there that's yours.
Nothing on him.
Nothing on him. Nope.
Okay. Look at me, bud.
Did you pat him down or anything?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's just got a bunch of junk on him.
Yeah, there's no warrants or anything for him.
All right. What's going to happen is this fine deputy is going to give you a ride to the city of Green Bay. Do not show face in my village again. You understand? All right. Stand.
This town ain't big enough for the both of us type energy. I love it. Come on, sir.
Go over to your car. Right here, up against your car. Feet apart. You do have a warrant for your arrest.
Anything more on her that you want for the confirmation? Face the car.
You want me to turn the keys over to him? Otherwise, I'm going to lock your car. I'm going to tag it for 24 hours, and if it's not gone by tomorrow morning, it's getting towed. Is that fair?
Yes.
Okay. How much have you drank today?
Like, I mean, like, I drank maybe a quarter of a pint, I think.
Anything
And
besides?
ever since the morning.
You had it slurring now, right?
Simple question.
Yeah,
Okay. How much have you had to drink today?
about like a quarter of a pint since about like 6 a.m. this morning.
What type of?
I smoked a little earlier. Yes, sir.
Okay.
My goodness, you're drinking, you're smoking weed, and you're smoking meth. This is a triple entendre of messes going on. You're definitely messed up, and you're getting busy in the back of the parking lot of a church. My goodness, girl, come on.
Yep.
You gotta have a little self-worth question.
It's cold right now.
You know what?
Man, this cop is just literally digging into her. You know, she got caught. He's jabbed. He's like, you gotta have some self-worth, man. He's not lying though.
Hey, but having in a church/school parking lot, unacceptable. Have a seat, dear. Have a seat. What's your warrant for?
Didn't finish probation.
You didn't finish probation?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a PO warrant?
Yeah.
I can drop you off at the A&W Quick Trip on Monroe Road if you want.
Oh, wow. I had to walk. I ain't never really.
You'd rather walk?
You want to hoof it?
That's fine.
Start
you want
hoofing
to hoof it? Go ahead. You're good to go.
And now, as she is being transferred to jail, the woman has complaints about her life and the deputy.
They're over there. They know about everything.
They know your situation?
Yeah. I was like telling myself and after the first of the year because I'm working and like I want to give my kids some Christmas because I didn't get to last week. I'm truly sorry, sir.
What?
I apologize.
You need to apologize to the Lord. That's who you really need to be apologizing to.
I'm sorry.
I'm not even that mad about the mess.
I know it's what I did. I know.
For kids present.
He's ready to stick it to me now.
What?
He's ready to stick it all to me.
Me?
Yeah.
No.
It seems like you are. It seems like you're happy about it and everything.
I am not happy. I just do my job.
It seems like you are though.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I can assure you this cop ain't happy about catching y'all getting busy in the church parking lot.
I'm actually not upset because I was supposed to go hunting now.
Whistling about it and everything.
Is this better so you can't hear me?
It's terrible. I understand your mentality and your job. You don't care.
What?
Yeah.
Been skipping your PO visits and stuff.
I
Never started them or what?
No, I started it.
Huh?
I probably, I don't know, I would have got out early and everything, but I didn't know where to live. And all 4 of my kids, so I went back to my ex-husband and...
So what's going on? What? You couldn't stay with your parents?
Yeah. know, it was too much with all my kids and me and my situation and everything. I guess, you know, I'm trying to get a grip here and get a job and do what I need to do. I know what I need to do, and I don't have the confidence in myself yet. It's not there.
Oh, you have to have confidence to do right? You have to do right by your kids and stuff. Doing this kind of shit's not helping you.
I know.
Oh, and you gotta get squared away with your PO, otherwise you're always gonna have warrants. What's up?
I understand that.
Have I arrested you before?
No, I don't believe so.
You don't think so?
Ultimately, the woman was charged with felony possession of misdemeanor, lewd and lascivious behavior in public, possession of paraphernalia. She was later released on a $2,500 signature bond. Eventually, she pleaded guilty due to a no contest plea of possession of meth and lewd and lascivious behavior, and was sentenced to 90 days in county jail.
That's it.
Want to step up your style?
You know, so all she had to do was 3 months in jail for getting busy in the parking lot and some meth. Oh man, these boys are getting soft on crime. Now, hey, check out some more videos if you like. I'm going to be doing some more, cranking out some more videos. Subscribe, like the videos of Pulpit and Crime. Thanks for watching today's video of Pulpit and Crime. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you leave a like button. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's talk about it in the comment section. Peace.